Folks, here's the aftermath of paying the neighborhood crackhead mechanic to install your new stereo. Was it worth the pack of smokes and $5 you paid him? Well, I think you might be screwed, bud. Screwed. This truck driver got sick of having to pass people up on the right-hand side, so he had us install this piss cannon mod. It works pretty good. Basically, if he has to pass you up on the right-hand side, your car gets a complimentary shower of whatever he has saved in his piss jar for the day. Have you ever wondered why classic cars are rare near the coast? Turns out, saltwater and steel have a pretty toxic relationship, one that ends in aggressive automotive decay due to stage 4 car cancer.
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway, so what I give a shit.
Do you got curb rash, or are your wheels just in need of a refresh? Well, come on down to the alley between 5th and Broadway and we'll have your wheels looking brand new in no time for just $20 or a little bit of crack rock. The customer said that there is a bad smell when he puts on the heater. Well, as far as I can tell, everything is fine with his heater and ducts, so I sent it over to a specialist I know. The customer brought this in because the car is pulling to the right pretty aggressively. Which makes perfect sense, being as she's running 2 smaller spare tires on one side of the car. I'll go ahead and let her know that running a spare is supposed to only be temporarily, and it's only the— oh, for the love of God! So, sure, you may have seen a lot in your life, but have you ever seen a Jeep limousine? A Jeepazine, if you will. Honestly though, I can't really tell if I'm disgusted or impressed. Either way, I'll take 2, please.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Customer states that the door will not open from the inside. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. Well, it opens from the outside, alright. And, nothing from the inside. Okay. Ah, the child lock was on. Hey, Steve, let him know that we replaced the door and fixed the problem. Charge him accordingly. Customer states he feels a slight engine vibration over 30 miles per hour. Sir, I'm going to need the name and address of the last person that worked on your car, right now. Who owns the welder? Who owns the welder? Tell us! Tell us right now! We got him. We got him. Extract the subject. Fun fact, if you want to have side skirts on your ride, but you're also too broke to afford it, you can just use an old rain gutter. It's also advised to use tapered wood screws while you're at it, just to complete the look. Now, you're not just broke. You look like an idiot, too. Oh, dude, sweet car, man. And it's broke its hips. You know, some people just shouldn't be allowed to do their own electrical work on their car. I mean, come on, man. This isn't one of those full sin moments. Get out. What's going on, fam squad? We tried a mechanic hack so you don't have to. To fix this failing head gasket, we cracked 2 eggs into the oil fill port. Well, after a full disassembly, I can say with confidence that putting eggs in your oil won't fix a thing. Stop it! With Halloween getting closer and closer, this guy converted his car into a portable smoke machine. So now wherever he goes, he brings the spooky vibes. Beyblades is a kid sport. Let me show you the adult version of it. In the suburban wild, the elusive Volkswagen makes its presence known. From deep within its suspension comes a strained, intermittent groan, a peculiar and chaotic sound believed to be its mating call. A truly fascinating display from one of nature's most misunderstood machines. It's actually pretty easy to tell when you're having window issues. When it starts sounding like a horror movie, you need to fix something. Did you know that if your OBD port on your car does not work, your car will give you out smoke signals? This one specifically is telling me that it needs a $4,000 engine rebuild. Hey, let's take a quick second to thank the sponsor of today's video, RealTruck.com. They sent me this Undercover swing case and it's quickly become one of my favorite truck upgrades. It mounts right in that dead space between the wheel well and it swings out over the tailgate so you're not crawling into your bed every time you need something. Just pull the latch and it comes right to you.
I'm a god boy.
It holds up to 75 pounds, which is more than enough for tools and straps and all that random stuff we end up hauling around. The lid is weather sealed and it's lockable, so everything stays dry and secure. The installation is super easy, maybe 30 to 45 minutes with basic tools. If you've got a drill and some patience, you're good. And if you ever need that extra bed space, it lifts right off the lockable hinges in seconds. It is made right here in the good old US of A.
America! Yeah!
And RealTruck backs it with a 1-year warranty. They also offer guaranteed fitment, 30-day returns, and even financing if you're trying to build out that dream setup. Now, if you're ready to actually organize your bed space, check out the Undercover swing case at RealTruck.com. I'll put the link in the description. And thanks again to RealTruck for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get back into it. So, we've been talking, and we know that you love your Subaru, but I think it's time that you let it go. The neighbors keep calling the cops about a helicopter in the neighborhood. Now you listen here, Valve Stem. You had one job.
Oh, come on!
Hey Larry, this truck's got one of them new fancy rear ends that have automatic adjusting angle. That's pretty neat, huh Larry? Larry?
Jim, have you been using brake cleaner with the door closed again?
Yeah.
You remember the Amityville horror movie? Well, it's based on a true story about a car. The customer states they, and I quote, gently tapped the curb. I bet it was real gentle-like. Sure thing, bud. When feeling threatened, the mighty Duramax reveals a fascinating display of dominance. It releases a thick plume of black smoke, a behavior known as rolling coal. Moments later, it raises its tow mirrors high, a classic defense posture. But don't be alarmed. These magnificent creatures are far more frightened of you than you are of them. Well, that's going to finish up today's episode. If you actually stayed this long, just know I appreciate you. Before we wrap things up, I want to thank all of my noobs and training members. We really appreciate your support, and it helps us continue to create content you love. If you have a video you'd like to submit, check out TheNoobMechanic.com. And feel free to follow our Facebook page for more content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
You should really subscribe to Noob Mechanic. Come along for the ride. Click like while you're at it. New uploads almost daily. Join us, come on baby. So maybe, just maybe, click the logo and subscribe.